Dear viewers, we have the problem from complex numbers for IPE. If a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, find x square plus y square. Okay, all of you. Here given a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy. So here modulus of a plus ib whole square is equal to modulus of x plus iy. So this can be written as root over a square plus b square whole square equal to, this is root over x square plus y square. Square root cancel. Root x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Then x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. Okay, all of you. This is the by squaring on both sides. We get x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. This is the answer. A square plus b square whole square is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have the one of the problem from complex numbers. If x plus iy is equal to cis alpha cis beta, then find x square plus y square. Okay, all of you. Here, what is x plus iy is equal to cis alpha into cis beta. Cis alpha, this is x plus y is equal to cis alpha cos alpha plus I sin alpha into, this is cos beta plus I sin beta. What is cis alpha? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. What is cis beta? Cos beta plus I sin beta. X plus iy is equal to cos alpha into cos beta. Cos alpha into cos beta plus I into sin alpha into cos beta, sin alpha into cos beta plus cos alpha into sin beta, cos alpha into sin beta. Again plus I square into sin alpha sin beta, sin alpha sin beta. But what is iota square is equal to -1? We know that x plus iy is equal to cos alpha cos beta I square -1 minus sin alpha sin beta, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, all of you, plus I into, this is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. So from this x plus iy is equal to, this is cos of alpha plus beta formula plus I into sin of alpha plus beta. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a plus b. Cos of alpha plus beta. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin, cos sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is sin of a plus b formula. Then determinant of x plus I, modulus of x plus iy is equal to modulus of cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta modulus. So what is the remaining? What is the remaining? You see here. Here you see, here modulus of x plus iy is equal to root over x square plus y square equal to modulus of cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. This is cos square of alpha plus beta plus, this is sin square of alpha plus beta. So this is, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by first identity of the trigonometry. Then this is x square plus y square is equal to, this value root over -1 implies this is x square plus y square root whole square is equal to, this is 1 square, root 1 square. This is implies x square plus y square, square root cancel, is equal to 1 is the 1, x square plus y square is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here we have one more problem. Write the conjugate of complex number 5i by 7 plus I. You see here, this is complex number 5i by 7 plus I. This is 7 minus I by 7 minus I. You can multiply and divide with 7 minus I by 7 plus I. 5i into 7. This is 35i minus 5i square by denominator. 7 square minus I square. This is equal to 35i minus 5 into iota square is equal to minus 1 by why? Because iota square is equal to minus 1, iota is equal to root minus 1. We know this one. So this is 7 square 49 minus of minus 1. So here 35 minus into minus plus 5i 5 plus 5 plus 35i by here 49 plus 1 50 is equal to 5 common from numerator 1 plus 7i by denominator 50. 5 10 is equal to 1 by 10 of I plus 7i. We have to write conjugate of this one. So conjugate of this is 5i by 7 plus I equal to 1 by 10 1 plus 7i whole bar is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 minus 7i is the conjugate of the given 5i by 7 plus I. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here we have the problem from complex numbers. Express 1 minus I in modulus amplitude form. So here you see given x plus iy is equal to 1 minus I. Mod amplitude form. X plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is equal to root over x square plus y square, theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So this is the mod amplitude of the given complex number. Okay, all of you. Here what is x? X is equal to 1 and what is y? Y is equal to minus 1. What is r? R is equal to root over 1 square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to root 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. What is y? Y is equal to minus 1. What is x? X is equal to 1. So x plus iy is equal to r is equal to root 2 into here you have to find theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x minus 1 by 1. Theta is equal to minus tan inverse of 1. Theta is equal to minus pi by 4. Then here cos of minus pi by 4 into plus I into sine of minus pi by 4. Okay, all of you, mod amplitude form root 2 into cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 is the mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form of the given 1 minus I mod amplitude form. Okay, all of you, that's all. Thank you. Mod amplitude form of the given complex number 1 minus I is equal to root 2 into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. Here we have one more problem from complex number for IPE. So represent the complex number 2 plus 3i in organ plane. So here given complex number, given z is equal to 2 plus 3i. If z is equal to x plus iy is equal to r into e power I theta. This is organed plane. Organed plane. Representation of organed plane. Representation of organed plane. Organed plane. Okay. So z is equal to x plus iy is equal to r into e power I theta. R is equal to what is R is equal to x square plus y square. Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay, all of you. This is the, so what is z is equal to 2 plus 3i is equal to x plus iy. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Then what is R? R is equal to root over 2 square plus 3 square is equal to root over 4 plus 9 is equal to root 30. Then what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x 3 by 2. This is the theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 2. Then here z is equal to r. R is root 30. R is root 30 into e power I into tan inverse 3 by 2 is the representation of given complex number in organed plane. That is Euler form of the complex number. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have one more problem from complex number for IPE. So that the complex number z satisfying z square plus z power minus 2 equal to 2 constitute a hyperbola. So you see all of you, what given here, z square plus z power minus 2 is equal to 2. Z square plus here 1 by z square is equal to 2. Let you take, let z is equal to x plus iy. Z bar is equal to 1 by z is equal to x minus iy. Okay, all of you. Then this one z square plus 1 by z 1 by z whole square is equal to 2. That is z square plus z bar whole square is equal to 2. This is z square x plus iy whole square plus x minus iy whole square is equal to 2. Let you take this one. So here this is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square formula. So by using this formula here, this is x square 2 of x square plus I square y square is equal to 2. But what is iota square is equal to? Iota square is equal to minus 1. By using this one, 2 of x square minus y square is equal to 2. 2 to cancel. Then x square minus y square is equal to 1. Represent a hyperbola. Represent a hyperbola. Okay, all of you. That's all. That is hence proved the hyperbola equation. Here we have the problem from complex number. Describe the geometrically the following subsets of C. Z belongs to C such that modulus Z minus 1 plus I is equal to 1. So here you see, here Z is equal to X plus Iy. Then mod Z is equal to what? Root over X square plus Y square. This is the real part of Z and imaginary part of Z is Y. So here we have given modulus z minus 1 plus I is equal to 1. So this can be written as modulus x plus iy minus 1 plus I is equal to 1. So this can be written as this is x minus 1 plus I into y plus 1 is equal to 1. So this can be written as root over x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. Then what is the remaining? X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So this is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is circle. Center h comma k. Radius r. So by comparing these two, here h comma k is equal to center h comma k is equal to 1 comma minus 1, radius is equal to 1. So this is the circle equation. Circle equation represent center 1 comma minus 1, radius r is equal to 1. Okay, all of you, this is the representation, geometrically represent the circle equation. Okay, all of you, that's all. Thank you.